So we're here now in Hiruzen. You can see all the snow around us. This is in Okayama Prefecture, and it's very famous for its Jersey cow milk.
Yes, it is.
Which has a really great body to it, and cheese. And you can see here, this is I guess you would call it a craft cheese maker. It's a very small scale. We're gonna go inside and meet the owner who's been making cheese for quite a while. Let's go inside.
これ3キロぐらいかな。
Wow.
これ昨日作ったやつね、チェダーね。こっちが8ヶ月ぐらいかな。
Wow. This is cheesemaker and dairy farmer Mr. Kawai, who makes all kinds of cheese in his factory in Hiruzen. He's traveled all over the world for cheese. His clothes have every color of the cheese rainbow on them. He also really loves to share his cheese with tastings here. Kawai-san creates his cheese in the back, a top secret area. The cheese he produces all come from his own cows, which are just down the street from here. Cheese number 1 of many. How does it taste?
So this is the English cheddar, yeah?
It's just so bizarre to me that they make this here in Japan, because Japan is not a place that's known for its cheese. In fact, when I moved here 25 years ago, you couldn't find good cheese in the supermarkets. It was like all processed stuff, and the range of cheese was limited to like this very small department, very small area in the supermarket.
Very expensive as well.
Very
right?
expensive for it. You'd have to get it at the specialty shop, but it's interesting to see that the reason why he makes the cheese here and decided to make it was because he couldn't find it himself.
Yeah, he didn't say thinking as a business, he just wanted to make the best cheese in Japan. And I think he might have succeeded.
I think so. You know, it's just weird also for me to be eating this and having this flavor made here in Japan. It's not a flavor that I would associate with Japan.
Yeah, not at all.
So I have a question, like what is Japanese cheese? Is there something that's unique about it?
Well, the master is back. Maybe we can ask him.
日本人チーズ食べてますよね。増えてますか？
ないよね。
まだ少ないですね。
少ないね。
なんで日本人チーズこんな好きじゃないですか？
好きじゃないっていうか、日本にはオリジナルの発酵食品があるからじゃない？漬物とか味噌とか醤油とかさ。で、ヨーロッパの発酵食品って何がある？チーズぐらいのもんじゃない？それとかオイルサーディンとかだ。
いや、
発酵食品のバラエティが少ないよね、外国って。その感じじゃないかなと思うね。
そうですね。
特に日本料理なんてのは分かるかな、だしの文化じゃない、だし。外国ないやん、だしがさ。ね。イギリスなんかさっき言ったようにさ、マスタード味ないから。
Dean and I drove a few hundred meters to his dairy farm. We came before their lunchtime, I think. These are Jersey milk cows. Hiruzen is famous for them. You're so cute! Dean got the party started by shoveling the hay towards them.
Now they're excited.
I rattled out a party cry. Wow! The cows eat a healthy diet of grass and hay. We came at mealtime. You can see they're eating dried grass hay. What do you think, Dean? This is kind of interesting to see behind the scenes from the farm. how the cows, the Jersey cows live. They're so cute.
They are beautiful cows. And from farm to table, it's what, like 50 meters?
Yeah,
Milk them here and make the cheese just there.
There is here, not too far from Osaka, between Tottori Prefecture and Okayama, on the backside of Mount Daisen, is a valley that's part of the Daisen-oki National Park, Hiruzen. With Yonago City and Mount Daisen by the Sea of Japan, the three peaks of Hiruzen, known as Hiruzen Sanza, are easy to see everywhere in the valley. It's so green and fertile from spring to late summer, but in the winter, it looks like this. Long, snowy country views, a land at peace, perfect for happy dairy cows.
We've come at mealtime. They're eating dried grass or hay. You really can get the sense of the freshness of it, right? I mean, of course, it's wintertime. It's not the best season to be visiting. It's kind of cold, actually. But this is only about 200 meters away from, 2 football fields away from the shop where he makes the cheese.
Yeah, that's right.
In the kitchen there. That's pretty incredible. So you can see from the farm to the table, again, they do have machines that milk the cows. All of them are females here, for obvious reasons.
I'm sure there's a bull somewhere around here.
There probably is.
One happy bull.
Now let's go try some of that cheese.
これは何ですか？これチェダーだね。クリームブルーかな。クリーム足して作るブルーチーズね。うちのオリジナルだね。食べてみたら。ジャージー島からね。
これは何ですか？ワイン？
ワイン。これヒルゼンワインの山ぶどうだけどね。いけてる。
Oh, you can smell
smell
it.
it,
You
yeah.
really can smell it. This is wine cheese.
Yeah. すごい。
楽しいじゃない？こういういろいろできる。
面白い。ちょっと甘さ出るよね。You can
It's
taste
like-
a little bit of sweetness, right?
The wine is like fused in with the cheese and giving it this. Of course, it's very creamy. Again, very buttery. In consistency.
I like that.
I like that one.
Yeah.
Kawai-san got out a chunk of camembert to try. It was a little different than what I've eaten from supermarkets here.
お客さんはやっぱり夏が多いですか？
いや、いろいろだね。
あ、
So this is the camembert. Very soft. Mmm. And buttery.
buttery, yeah. Good. Your palate is very good. Like
Yeah.
you keep getting compliments for what you're tasting.
Well, we need wine with this or beer or something to complement with it. Thankfully, in Hiruzen, they have really good wine.
And we tried some of it at the Hiruzen Winery, about a 15-minute drive from here. We got a tour of the winery, including a tasting. Top-notch Yamabudo or wild grape wine. Goes great with that cheese. All the food we ate here was top-level delicious, proving that food is better eaten at the source. Cheese from Hiruzen makes a great gift to bring home, and we left with armfuls of it. Kawai-san's cheese shop is one of Hiruzen's attractions. And so are those friendly Jersey cows that came to say goodbye. And I'm sure they'll miss my mooing. Or not.